Ruby's first landfall on December 6 sent people scrambling to safety. But the group of scientists did the exact opposite. The PAGASA storm chasers were 2 towns away from Ruby's landfall, Dolores, Eastern Samar. All the better to understand the typhoon.
If you're in the forecasting, hindi mo alam what is the real happening in the field. Kaya kami nandito is to report the wind speed, the wind direction, what is the actual scenario in the field. Kaya yun yung binabato namin sa kanila.
Robert Quinto has been tailing storms since 1995. But this is the first time his team is using an automatic weather station strapped to their van. It measures wind speed, wind direction, temperature, rainfall amount, and more.
Yung barometric pressure naman, isa yan sa indicator namin na habang bumababa siya, it means lumalapit sa station or kung saan ka naka-istasyon, lumalapit yung bagyo sa'yo.
It's a tough job, and the team is not getting any younger.
Biruin mo, kung kailan tagbagyo, wala ka sa bahay. On the family side kasi, siyempre, nag-aalala rin sila kahit paano. Same nung mga kasama ko rin. Kasi we experienced that during the Rosing na stranded kami for 15 days. Hindi kami nakalabas.
But Quinto knows his decades of sacrifice are for the greater good. The information they gather is crucial not only to scientists, but to the communities that will take the storm's first hit.
Malaking tulong pala sa mga tao, para sa mga tao na magsilikas yung mga tao na nasa gilid ng dagat. Dahil ang ano nila, DOST na ito eh. Kaya talagang kailangan na talaga paglipat.
P. Renada, Rappler, Caterman.